Welcome back to Instables. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. Again, as we gap up just below a major resistance that we are going to be looking for proof of concept above. Again, as we hit our target from Thursday leading into Friday here, continuing on past it, what exactly has to happen for us to continue? What exactly will give us proof of concept above this resistance to show us that we can continue to gap up? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Now, before I jump into this, if you guys can do me a huge favor, hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major volatile mover that you want to be watching, any major levels that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. Let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective again, we mentioned a couple days ago that we were testing our upper prior balance high, and we did look to see if we can continue on above this prior balance high. And as you guys can see, as we had our doji candle coming out, as we were testing our 10-day moving average, our 10-day was curling up, and we had that possibility of this continuation, hitting 425, continuing on past it if you guys did play this intraday. Now looking to see if we can continue on past our major resistance that we did mention at 431. Many people mentioning a possible major sell-off, the possibility of a major sell-off here, and we have been mentioning that we were going to possibly continue, and that's exactly what happened. So what we're looking for from here is this proof of concept above 425. What I do want to see is a consolidated candle possibly to come out if we do continue with this momentum, if we possibly do gap up and continue to 431. What I would be looking for is for any possible rejection candle. If we do get a possible rejection candle, looking for any follow through with this possible consolidated candle after we retest our possible support, which again was our resistance. Now looking for possible support, looking for any possible engulfing candles, which will, in my opinion, if we continue on past 431 with proof of concept, will be these major gap up levels that we have been mentioning. Again, we can possibly gap into our 440 level, which has been our prior gap downs, and then we can even continue on past 440, which would be here at 448. And again, that would be that proof of concept past 440. So what we're looking for from here is proof of concept above our 425 resistance that we just continued on past. Any proof of concept to hold as support above our 431 level will be those major gap up levels that we're looking for. So again, going into next week, definitely looking at our major resistance and possible major support that we will be having at 431. Again, 431, very key that we are leading into a very nice continuation that we mentioned for the last couple days for this possible continuation, as we had our 12 still above our 26. Even though we did pull back a couple days ago, we still had our 12 above our 26 here, showing us that we were not completely bearish, as we had our EMA lines above the median of MACD, looking for any possible continuation. Now curling up, looking for this possible rally with continuations on increases in buy pressure. A very nice continuation that we had. Again, keeping an eye on that 431 level, that will be key. And looking at our weekly chart, looking at our swing perspective, as we close this candle on the week, looking for possible continuations with this candle. What I would be watching for is to see how next week's candle does close. Again, we have our wick to the downside, clearly respecting our 10-weekly moving average. So if we get any proof of concept above this resistance that we have here on our weekly chart for any possible pullback, that we very much will be ready for one. As you guys can see here on our weekly chart, as our EMA lines have been crossing above the median MACD, we've been mentioning this for quite a while. We have been increasing in buy pressure, so now we are looking to see if we continue on above our 431 level with that proof of concept for that possible major continuation and possibility. Again, I know it seems almost impossible, but we have to keep in mind that we're always open to any possible bullish or major bearish case scenario. At this point, with our EMA lines pointing up, we have been talking about any pullback has been a nice buy the dip opportunity, and that's exactly what we have been getting throughout the last few weeks, week of trading on these pullbacks. So again, continue to take with the market, just watching momentum and watching candle structure is what we will continue to stay focused on. Again, we do like this gap up. We do like how we continued on past 425. Now just below resistance. I would be cautious, looking for proof of concept above your 431 level, or if you're looking for intraday momentum, if we get a pullback at 425, any possible bullish candle structure to retest 431 would be your intraday play. But again, that major gap level, like I said, will be at 431 from our prior gap downs like we had here. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, any major volatile mover that you want to be watching, again, go to instabulls.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. We will continue to go at it, stay patient, and take what the market gives us as we have been in the Instabulls. And we're getting very choppy. However, we will continue to take what the market gives us pre-market and morning rush as we have been. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.